Understanding Darken the Mood, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating English phrase, darken the mood. This phrase is often used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's get started. Darken the mood refers to making a situation, setting, or conversation feel more serious, gloomy, or somber. It's like bringing a cloud over a previously light or cheerful atmosphere. This phrase is metaphorical. It doesn't involve actual darkness, but rather a change in the emotional tone. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. In conversation, if someone brings up a sad or serious topic during a happy occasion, they might darken the mood of the group. 2. In literature or movies, a sudden plot twist that introduces a serious or tragic element can darken the mood of the story. 3. In daily life, news about a distressing event can darken the mood of an otherwise cheerful day. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. The news of the accident quickly darkened the mood at the party. 2. His gloomy remarks darkened the mood of the meeting. 3. The storm clouds gathering outside seemed to darken the mood inside the house. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are some: cast a shadow over, dampen spirits, bring down the mood. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, darken the mood, effectively in your conversations and writing. It's a powerful phrase that captures a shift in emotional tone, and it's great to have it in your English toolkit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language tips.